Air fryers have taken the culinary world by storm. From celebrity chefs to busy parents, everyone seems to be raving about these countertop wonders. They promise crispy, delicious food with a fraction of the oil used in traditional frying. It's no wonder air fryers have become a kitchen staple in homes across America. But are we being sold a crispy dream built on a foundation of fluffy facts? Recent investigations by consumer champion Which have revealed some shocking truths about air fryer capacity claims. It turns out that many manufacturers are exaggerating the amount of food their air fryers can actually cook. This means consumers may be purchasing air fryers that are too small for their needs, leading to frustration and unevenly cooked meals. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down for you. Manufacturers often advertise air fryer capacity in liters, referring to the total volume of the cooking chamber. This measurement is prominently displayed on the packaging and in advertisements, making it seem like a key selling point. But what does it really mean for your cooking experience? While this might seem like a straightforward measurement, it doesn't accurately reflect the usable cooking space. The total volume in liters might give you an idea of the size of the appliance, but it doesn't tell you how much food you can actually cook at one time. This can be quite misleading for consumers who are trying to make an informed decision. Think about it. You can't fill an air fryer to the brim like you would a liquid measuring cup. Overfilling the basket can lead to uneven cooking and poor results. The food needs to be arranged in a single layer to ensure that hot air can circulate properly around each piece. This is crucial for achieving that crispy, delicious texture that air fryers are known for. The food needs room to circulate hot air for proper cooking. If the basket is too full, the air can't move freely and your food won't cook evenly. This is why the actual usable capacity of an air fryer is often much less than the advertised volume in liters. It's important to consider this when choosing an air fryer, especially if you plan to cook for multiple people or larger portions. So, those liter claims? They're about as useful as a chocolate teapot when it comes to figuring out how much your air fryer can actually handle. Instead of focusing on the total volume, look for information on the usable cooking space and the recommended amount of food for optimal results. This will give you a much better idea of what to expect from your air fryer and help you make a more informed purchase. Remember, when it comes to air fryers, size isn't everything, it's how you use the space that counts. Which's tests went beyond misleading liter claims and measured actual usable capacity in a much more practical way, grams of food. They found that the actual capacity of air fryers varied significantly from the manufacturer's claims. Some models could only cook half the advertised amount of French fries. That's right, folks, half. Imagine inviting friends over for a fry fest only to discover your family-sized air fryer can only handle a meager snack for two. Section 5, Size matters but not always how you think. When it comes to air fryers, bigger isn't always better. Which's tests revealed that some smaller models with compact designs actually offered more usable cooking space than their larger counterparts. This is because the shape and design of the cooking basket play a crucial role in determining how much food can be effectively cooked at once. A tall, narrow basket might hold more in terms of volume, but it won't cook food as evenly as a wider, shallower basket. Section 6. Bigger isn't always better. Don't be fooled by bulky exteriors and flashy designs. Some manufacturers prioritize aesthetics over functionality, resulting in air fryers with impressive footprints but disappointingly small cooking capacities. It's like buying a giant SUV only to discover the trunk is the size of a shoebox. Always prioritize usable cooking space over external dimensions when choosing an air fryer. Section 7. The Air Fryer Health Halo. Beyond the capacity conundrum, let's not forget about the health benefits of air fryers. These modern kitchen appliances have revolutionized the way we think about cooking, especially when it comes to making healthier choices. By using significantly less oil than traditional deep frying, air fryers can help us reduce our fat intake and make healthier choices. Imagine preparing your favorite fried foods with just a fraction of the oil. This not only cuts down on calories but also reduces the intake of unhealthy fats, which are linked to various health issues such as heart disease and obesity. But here's a bonus. Air fryers also contribute to better indoor air quality. When we cook with traditional methods, especially deep frying, the process releases a significant amount of smoke and fumes into the air. These fumes can contain harmful particles that are not only unpleasant but can also be detrimental to our respiratory health. Traditional frying releases harmful fumes and particles into the air, which can be detrimental to our respiratory health. The smoke and steam from deep frying can linger in the kitchen, making it an uncomfortable and unhealthy environment. This is particularly concerning for individuals with respiratory conditions such as asthma or allergies. Air fryers, on the other hand, minimize these emissions, making them a healthier choice for both our bodies and our homes. The technology behind air fryers allows them to cook food evenly and efficiently without producing the same level of smoke and fumes. This means you can enjoy a cleaner, fresher kitchen environment while still indulging in your favorite fried foods. Additionally, air fryers are incredibly versatile. They can be used to prepare a wide variety of dishes, from crispy vegetables to juicy chicken wings, all with less oil and fewer calories. This versatility makes them a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially for those looking to maintain a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Another advantage of air fryers is their ease of cleaning. Traditional deep fryers can be a hassle to clean with oil splatters and greasy residue. Air fryers, however, are designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. Most models come with removable dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup a breeze. With the growing popularity of air fryers, there is also a wealth of recipes and resources available to help you get the most out of your appliance. From cookbooks to online communities, you can find endless inspiration for healthy and delicious meals that can be prepared quickly and easily with an air fryer. In conclusion, the air fryer health halo is well deserved. These innovative appliances offer a range of benefits, from reducing fat intake and improving indoor air quality to being versatile and easy to clean. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, an air fryer can help you create healthier, tastier meals with minimal effort. So if you haven't already, it might be time to consider adding an air fryer to your kitchen arsenal. Section 8. Frying smarter, not harder. In today's fast-paced world, convenience and health are paramount, and the air fryer has emerged as a revolutionary kitchen appliance that promises both. But how do we navigate the sea of options and ensure we're making the best choice for our needs? The air fryer craze is here to stay, but it's crucial to be informed consumers and not fall prey to misleading marketing tactics. With so many brands and models flooding the market, each claiming to be the best, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to buy. Advertisements often highlight the most appealing features, but they may not always tell the whole story. It's essential to look beyond the flashy ads and delve into the specifics of each model. Which independent tests provide valuable insights into the true performance and capacity of air fryers, empowering us to make smarter purchasing decisions. These tests evaluate various aspects such as cooking efficiency, ease of use, and durability. By relying on unbiased reviews and comprehensive testing, we can avoid the pitfalls of purchasing an underperforming appliance. It's not just about finding an air fryer that works, it's about finding one that works for you and your specific cooking needs. Don't be afraid to dig deeper, read reviews, and compare models before investing in an air fryer. Take the time to understand the features that matter most to you. Do you need a larger capacity for family meals, or are you looking for a compact model for a small kitchen? Consider the ease of cleaning, the range of cooking functions, and the overall build quality. By thoroughly researching and comparing different models, you can make an informed decision that you'll be happy with in the long run. After all, we all deserve an air fryer that can handle our culinary ambitions, whether it's a mountain of fries or a simple side of roasted veggies. Imagine the joy of preparing a delicious, healthy meal with minimal effort and maximum flavor. An air fryer can be a game changer in the kitchen, making it easier to cook a variety of dishes quickly and efficiently. From crispy snacks to wholesome dinners, the right air fryer can elevate your cooking experience and help you create meals that your family will love. So take the time to choose wisely and enjoy the benefits of frying.